Today I'm going to be breaking down this easy eyeshadow look, and it starts right now. Alright, the first step in this super easy look, there's no change here. You guys know the routine. A little bit of Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. Little bit goes a long way. So the only difference here is I did apply for the under eye as well. So let's blend it in with our fingers. Except that I did choose to go with the Cover FX translucent setting powder, and I am just going to set the bottom first just to make sure there is no creasing.
It's just me and you.
First, I'm going to take this pink color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette on a regular blending brush, and I'm just going to place this in my crease as my transition shade. Now that pink has been laid down, I'm going to pick up a little bit of eyeshadow primer. Today I went with Hard Candy's eyeshadow primer, and I'm using a flat synthetic brush, and I'm just going to do the same thing I would to cut the crease.
It's just me and you.
Alright, the next pigment that I'm going to be picking up is this shade called Electra from the Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to pat this in the inner corner and the middle all over my lid.
Days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Alright, with that same brush, I did dive over to Cosmic, which is this lovely purple color. Like, I am in love with this amethyst color. So I'm just going to tuck this on the remaining part of that cut crease. Alright, and now because I really am not liking this super duper harsh line, you know your girl is all about blending, I am going to dip into a darker shade of this pink color that I originally placed right here, and using a pencil bullet, I am going to just run this color over that harsh line and blend it together. to meld all those colors together, I did pick up a little bit of baby pink from the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I am just going to run it along this edge line to mend it in with my brow bone highlight that your girl is about to get to.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. And maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Alright, for inner corner and brow highlight, I'm going to be going in with Wet n Wild's Moon Tears highlighter. Okay, for brow highlight, let's go.
Yeah, it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
For lower lash line, we're going to use the same shades as we did on the top, and I'm going to start first with that first pink.
Make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby. Do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, oh, my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby. Do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, just my wasted love.
That, you guys, is it. I'm gonna do a couple of seconds of finger magic just to show you what the final look will look like. Alright guys, this is the completed look, highlight and all. I had so much fun with this look, you guys. Like, these pinks and purples and blues, they just coincide so well together. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you